day 3. So today we're gonna prep out the hallway and the living room by getting rid of the carpet, the padding. The parquet floor is gonna come out. This tile is gonna come out. And we'll get everything prepped to start putting the new flooring down in this room. I've got all the carpet, padding, and tack strip out. I started chipping away at this tile. It's gonna be a little bit more tedious than I thought. I'm not gonna be able to just use the Burke bar. And the same thing goes for this parquet that was glued down. Both of those are gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I'll switch up my tactics and get it done. I got a little bit more of the tile out, a little bit more of the parquet out, and I'm taking a break from that so I can grind this crack to get it to where it's a smooth transition. You can see over here that there is a lip. This is the worst spot right here. Nearly able to claim victory. There's still a little bit of wood hanging on there. I think I'm gonna have to get some adhesive remover and or a heat gun and sharpen up my scraper. All right, I've declared victory over the tile in front of the fireplace, but I'm gonna need reinforcements to get this last bit of wood and adhesive up. Gonna need a heat gun, possibly some adhesive remover, and a grinder so I could sharpen up this scraper, and that should do the trick. So we'll be on to day 4 after this. All right, day 4, and today we're gonna get the new tile down in front of the fireplace. We're gonna fill this crack in, which I've already started, and we're just using a pre-mixed patch. And then the last thing we're gonna get done today is finish scraping this wood parquet up. And I found the heat gun is the trick in combination with your multi-tool oscillating saw.